What is an allele in whole exome sequencing for families? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where each piece is a tiny part of your genetic code. That's what genetic testing and sequencing are all about. When families explore their inherited health traits, one key piece of the puzzle is understanding what an allele is. An allele is a version of a gene or a specific segment of DNA at a particular spot on a chromosome. Think of it like different flavors of the same ice cream. Each person inherits two alleles for most genes, one from their mother and one from their father. These alleles can be identical, which is called homozygous, or different, known as heterozygous. These variations influence many traits and health conditions. In whole exome sequencing, the focus is on the exome, which is about 1% of the entire genome. The exome contains most of the genes that can cause inherited diseases. This test reads the DNA sequences in these regions to find differences, including different alleles that might impact health. When a family undergoes whole exome sequencing, the test looks for changes in these alleles. For example, if a child has a rare health condition, the test checks if they have a specific allele that could be causing it. It also shows whether that allele was inherited from one parent or both. This helps families understand why a condition occurs and whether other family members might be at risk. This type of testing is especially helpful when many genes could be involved, or previous tests didn't find the cause. Whole exome sequencing can detect single-letter changes in the DNA, small insertions or deletions, and sometimes larger missing or duplicated sections in the exome. Once the test is done, experts analyze the results by comparing the alleles found in the patient to those in family members and reference databases. This comparison helps determine if a variant is likely to cause disease or if it is just a harmless difference. Families then receive a report explaining which alleles were found and what they mean for health and inheritance. In simple terms, alleles are the different versions of genes that everyone carries. In whole exome sequencing for families, identifying these alleles helps uncover the genetic roots of health issues. It guides medical decisions, helps assess risks, and clarifies how traits are passed down. This process supports families in understanding their genetic health and making informed choices for the future.